Hi, if you got on this video without getting the chance to watch our previous videos, my name is Ashil Combat. I'm the co-founder of wEquipu, a business education agency that help small and medium-sized businesses build sustainable businesses. And our series of video, I don't know where you're watching this from. The purpose behind our series of videos is to bring the information based on what we call the PPP approach. The PPP stands for Principle, Personal, and Profit. And in other videos, I already gave the concept. And this concept was inspired to us through one single proverb, which remind us, and I'm sure you know about it too, when you don't know where you're going, look back from where you came from. And where we came from is about our humanity. It's about the principle that guides us as a human being. So in this video today, I would like to address another principle, just like the one in the other videos. You will notice the trend in all our videos. It will be always about principle, how to use it personally, and how to use it to make profit. And to clarify and put everything at the same understanding here. Profit is not just only for businesses. It's any professional work that bring you some revenue or bring you some profit. So PPP again, principle, personal, and profit. So let's talk today about time allocation. One thing you will notice already, and I'm sure you know this, everything has a time, just like the ancient Egyptian author Amenemop remind us. Everything has a time. The weather is teaching us about time allocation, right? There is a winter, there is a fall, there is a summer, there is time to sleep, and there is time to work. You have day and light, day and nights. So time allocation is just a principle within this whole ecosystem surrounding us. Time is the only resource that you don't have sitting somewhere and then you can manage. But is a resource that you need to allocate. So the way we approach time in equipping business owners is based on allocation of time. The neuroscience and the study on neurosubstance is helping us even understand this even better. We'll be talking a lot about the brain, even how the brain functions, because it's one key organ in our body. So yes, in the whole ecosystem is all about time allocation. So in our personal lives, we cannot approach time in managing the time. We can only approach time in what? Time allocation concept. Because when you start having a misunderstanding of the concept, using it also will what? Misguide you. Because you'll be there thinking every time about what? Managing time. And we can see this as a big challenge for many of our clients and business owners. In one of our previous videos, we talk about systems. And in the systems that you have to build, time is included. The purpose of this video is to clarify things around then the system based on time. Because everything we'll be doing, everything we'll be accomplishing is around time. Unfortunately, it's the only resource that no one on earth has more or less than anybody else. over years, human being was able to even put time into a cycle of 24 hours, right? It's 24 hours for everybody. So personally, you would like to approach time in terms of what? Time allocation. Because we all know we are all created differently. And the amazing thing is that even when you take fingerprint, right, over all those million years, science is telling us that there is no same fingerprint. We are created differently. We function differently. Once we start talking about how the brain even functions, you will see why time allocation is a key for you in even your personal life. I was talking to our videographer, Mark, who's doing a great job supporting us in putting this message out. And we were just discussing about how different we function. For me, I'm productive early morning. For some people, it's late night, right? So if we don't approach things in time allocation, allocating time depending on how productive we are, and we start thinking about managing time, because time never stops there waiting for us, just like other resources. That's at a personal level. Think about it as time allocation. So as a business, and the way we work with even our clients, to get the maximum from the time that they have, is putting in place a process of time allocation. And we'd like to share this process maybe in the next video, step by step, how we approach that. But until the next video, if you're interested, you can click the links below. Don't forget, there will be always some links below that will help you in different arena of things that we do in building sustainable businesses. This is coming from different experiences over years, working and seeing it give results. That today we are in a position to share the information with you. But again, information is nothing if execution doesn't follow. Time allocation needs to be how you think about time. Time allocation needs to be how you approach the way you build your business, the way you build yourself personally. Time allocation is how you need to approach every task and different project that you have in your business. And like I said, we'll be giving maybe more detail around it, but there will be links in the description for you to already see how do you have to approach time. The 24 hours, how do you have to approach and allocate time for that? Because there will be time to sleep, time to work, time to eat. How are you going to be managing that? That's why time is one of the big challenges that face many small and medium-sized businesses. But it's the same for all of us. Let time allocation be your focus now. Look at time now in terms of how can I allocate things I have to do within the time I have. Not to manage time, because by managing time, we're already being misguided. So until next video, just remember, when you don't know where you're going, just look back from where you came from. Because everything was built in this body again that we are individually responsible for. Thank you for watching. Thank you for sharing, putting your comment, sharing also your comment. Thank you for liking, because that's how progressively we'll be able to build a community of sustainable businesses. Until next time, just remember, when you don't know where you're going, look back from where you came from. Thank you.